back to my channel. My name is Johnson and I am super excited to be sitting down today. Don't mind me, it's good to work out. So today I'm telling you why you should work out at home. Why do we need to work out at home? Hey, why can't we go to the gym? Hey, why can't we work out? Well, let's work out in the house. So many countries are on lockdown presently, and a lot of people work from home these days. And it is very important that you are mobile. I mean, working up and down. So I'm going to be giving you 5 reasons why you should work out at home. One of the first reasons why you need to work out at home is for mobility's sake. I mean mobility. You need to move up and down all over the place. Do not mind me. Well, it is very necessary for you to work out from one point to the other. Do not live a sedentary lifestyle. Even when you're in the office, most of the time you're seated, probably in front of your computer, doing one thing or the other. But it's very necessary for you to let blood flow. You need all your joints working like it is being oiled with engine oil, not necessarily engine oil. Your joints need to work appropriately, and also your blood needs to flow so that you do not have excess cholesterol in your veins or your arteries, and blood just needs to flow. And one of the reasons why blood needs to flow is because of growth. You need to sleep well, because when you're in the house, you hardly sleep. The reason is because you're either watching TV or you're working round the clock. So when you work out, you kind of feel like you're exhausted, but you're not tired, and you need to rest and sleep. Also, you would also need to just move up and down. You can never do that for too much. Another thing that you need to do is that you must know that it improves your mental health. There's so much fear out there, and you could be mentally stressed. I refuse to be stressed and even anxious about what is going on around the world right now. And the news is saying something, social media is saying something, and you're also thinking of something. You need to engage yourself, work out, because this will keep your metabolism going. This will keep your hormones functioning properly. The proper hormones for your body will be secreted, and then you keep going. And it also reduces stress hormones. Working out reduces stress hormones, whereby cortisol, which is the stress hormone, is being reduced as well. And then you're not anxious for anything, and then fear is on the minimum. Also, you need to know that working out at home is very cheap. Why is working at home very cheap? You do not have to pay for a gym subscription, and even though there are some workout that you need to pay for online, I think YouTube has made it so easy for us these days, where you can just go on YouTube and look for a workout video and you're good. So working out at home is very cheap, and it also gets you, kind of committed to saving the money you would have used at the gym. Working out at home improves your metabolism and sports, enhancing weight loss, and you start to burn fat. Yes, we get to eat a lot when we are in the house, but when you work out, you get to burn those calories that you have consumed, and also, help you to be appropriately at the right size that you ought to be, instead of adding weight when you're at home. It also keeps you in check as well, that A, you need to reduce the sugar, A, you need to reduce the fatty foods, A, what am I saying here? It's very important that we work out in the house. So the last thing I'm going to tell you is that working out improves the heart and lung health. Because of what is out there, I'm not going to mention its name because I don't need to. The health of your lungs is very paramount, and when you get to work out, you start to breathe, and then in the process of breathing, your lungs are opened, and it is easier for you to breathe in and breathe out, even though you're going to be panting when you're working out, especially when you're doing high intensity workout, right? You're going to pant, but the thing is that your lungs are open for oxygen to come in, and then your heart rate also improves. Working out also improves your heart rate. Your heart rate improves it improves rather, and then your blood pressure comes down as well, and then it keeps your heart healthy, your cardiovascular strength, and you're good to go. You're good to go, guys. These are the reasons why you should work out at home, not necessarily at the gym. And do not say that I'm against you going to the gym. Please get into the gym when you need to. If the gym is very close to your house, take a walk, wear your mask, and carry your hand sanitizer and go to the gym to work out if you know you cannot do it in the house. But these are the reasons why you should work out at home, and I hope you're able to stick with this and let us stay healthy together. Thank you so much. Love you.